Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in the general list, of course, we have to scroll to find a special section, and it would be the battery. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down, and as you can see, the battery percentage option is right there. Unfortunately, we cannot do a lot with that. Actually, we can only turn it on, and thanks to this, we can apply the percentage next to the battery icon on the status bar. As I said, we do not have any other option to configure that. So, for example, to show it inside the battery icon, but that's still okay. We can see it on the status bar. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.